Ever wondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize the world of video creation? Well, today, we're diving into the fascinating intersection of technology and creativity, exploring how AI can help you craft stunning videos with ease. To kick things off, it's important to understand the role of AI in video creation. Artificial intelligence has the capacity to analyze, learn, and execute tasks at a level that can vastly exceed human capabilities. It can automate tedious tasks, generate creative ideas, and even fine-tune your content to perfection. So how exactly can you harness the power of AI for your video creation needs? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Choose an AI-based video creation tool. There are several tools available in the market, like Magisto, Lumen 5, and InVideo, which are designed to streamline the video creation process. These tools leverage AI to automate editing, select music, and even suggest creative ideas based on your content. Step 2. Input your content. Once you've chosen your tool, the next step is to input your content. This could be text, images, or raw video footage. The AI will analyze this content and use it as a foundation for your video. Step 3. Customize your video. With your content in place, now you can start customizing your video. You can choose themes, add music, and tweak the visual elements to align with your brand or personal aesthetic. The AI-powered tool will provide suggestions and automations along the way, making this process swift and intuitive. Step 4. Let AI do its magic. With all the elements in place, it's time for the AI to take over. It will analyze your content, use its algorithms to determine the best editing techniques, and create a polished, professional video. Step 5. Review and edit. Once the AI has done its work, it's time for you to review the final product. If there's something you're not quite happy with, you can manually edit those parts. Remember, AI is a tool to enhance your creativity, not replace it. To wrap things up, let's summarize. Today, we've learned how artificial intelligence can revolutionize the video creation process. We've discussed how to choose an AI-based tool, input your content, customize your video, let the AI work its magic, and then review and edit the final product. Remember, AI is not a replacement for human creativity. Instead, it's a tool that can help you save time, generate ideas, and fine-tune your content to perfection. So why not give it a try? You might just find that AI is the secret ingredient you've been looking for to take your videos to the next level.